first period.
We're second period.
We're fifth period.
It may look like we're in a fancy schmancy studio.
But it's a green screen.
This is where we edit the show.
Using Final Cut Pro.
Here's where we plan out our shows.
This is where we edit our segments.
And that's what we do in TV production. You know, the students did an amazing job explaining everything that we do, but I feel like you can't really get a feel for it unless you do it yourself.
Right, like hands-on, like be a part of it.
100%, yeah.
What if you joined us?
Great idea. It's time. Lights, camera, action.